Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix VLC player not playing MKV files on Windows 11. First method is reset preferences. Second method is disable hardware accelerated decoding. Third method is change the file extension with MKV. Fourth method is change settings for damaged or incomplete AVI files. Fifth method is uninstall and reinstall VLC player. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.